Okay, kiddos, so today we're going to do some addition and subtraction review, and I've got two problems up here. Your first problem says 3 plus 3, and I know this is going to be an addition problem because of the middle symbol right there. That's the addition symbol. Remember, it looks like a T, and that means we're going to add or make bigger. On your assignment today, on Seesaw, you're going to have problems just like this, except I have hearts down here that I'm going to use to help me add or subtract. Your paper doesn't have that, but you can draw them on Seesaw. You can use Show Me to show your to help you show your work, or you can use a paper and pencil. It's up to you. You'll use that only if you need it for help. So I'm going to do 3 plus 3. So I'm going to start with 3 hearts over here. So 1, 2, 3. And that's my first group of 3. Okay, so my second set plus 3, I'm going to put 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And then these hearts right here, I'm going to get rid of. So now I have 3 hearts plus 3 hearts. So these hearts represent my numbers here, and I'm just going to count them, okay? So I can do this 2 ways. I can start at 1 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I can practice counting on. I know that there are 3 hearts over here because that's what number this is. So 3. So instead of starting at 1 and counting to 3, I'm going to start at 3 and count on from 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6. And so I have my choices for answer over here. I have 3, 6, and 10. And since I counted my hearts over here, I know that there are 6 hearts, so I'm going to drag my answer over here. And my number sentence says 3 plus 3 equals 6. And the answer or sum is always going to be bigger than my numbers over here. All right, that's addition review. Okay, over here we're going to do a quick subtraction review. And I know it's subtraction because the symbol in the middle right here is the minus sign. And it's just a straight line across. And that means take away. Okay, so that means 9 minus 4, or 9 take away 4. And so for this one, I'm going to start with 9 hearts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I'm going to get rid of my extras because I don't need them. So this says I am going to take away 4. So I have 9 hearts here total because that's the number that I start with, 9. So if I were to draw this out, I would draw 9 hearts. Instead, I've dragged 9 hearts, okay? And then what I'm going to do is cross out 4, because that's how many I'm taking away. So it's like if I said Mrs. Dotson has 9 Valentines and she gives 4 Valentines. How many does she have left? That's what we're going to find out. So let's see. I'm going to cross out, whoops. Maybe we'll delete them. You can cross them out. I'm going to delete it because I can't cross them out. So counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 minus 4, and the number of hearts I have left is the difference or the answer to the subtraction problem. So let's count how many hearts I have left. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here are some choices for answers. I have 5, 10, and 6, because on your paper today you're going to have a choice. You're going to see a bunch of numbers and you're going to drag the answer to either your addition problem or your subtraction problem to that problem. So to practice, I'll give you a second to think about it. What is the answer? 9 minus 4 is, if you said 5, kiss your brain, it is 5. And again, to double check it, all I have to do is count my hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is all review. You're going to practice this now on Seesaw, and you have an activity and the directions will be read to you. Again, you don't have pictures on your paper on Seesaw, but you can draw circles, hearts, dots, anything you want for the addition and subtraction practice if it will help you. And you can do it on paper, you can do it on Seesaw, or you can do it on the Show Me app on your iPad. Okay? All right, remember to do your best work and don't race through it. Take your time and think.